He is sharing his toy with her. He is sharing his toy with her. He is holding a red lantern. He is holding a red lantern. Grandmother and granddaughter are sharing cake. Grandmother and granddaughter are sharing cake. The firefighter is smiling in uniform. The firefighter is smiling in uniform. She is jumping with arms raised. She is jumping with arms raised. They are celebrating graduation. They are celebrating graduation. The hiker is looking into the distance. The hiker is looking into the distance. He chooses an item from the pantry shelf. He chooses an item from the pantry shelf. She whispers a secret in his ear. She whispers a secret in his ear. He is waving hello. He is waving hello. She is holding a flower. She is holding a flower. They are laughing together on the ground. They are laughing together on the ground. He is covering his ears to avoid noise. He is covering his ears to avoid noise. She is vacuuming the floor with a cleaner. She is vacuuming the floor with a cleaner. The soldier is carrying a wrench and backpack. The soldier is carrying a wrench and backpack. She is reading a book with surprise. She is reading a book with surprise. He climbs the rock with safety gear. He climbs the rock with safety gear. She works and reviews documents. She works and reviews documents. He celebrates victory with raised fists. He celebrates victory with raised fists. She works as a pilot. She works as a pilot. She is petting a golden dog. She is petting a golden dog. The hiker uses trekking poles on winding paths. The hiker uses trekking poles on winding paths. He is a successful businessman. He is a successful businessman. He is throwing a javelin. He is throwing a javelin. They are doing push-ups. They are doing push-ups. The nurse is helping the patient. The nurse is helping the patient.